Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to enable two-step verification on Amazon to keep your account secure. Start by opening your browser and going to Amazon.com. Sign into your account if you're not already logged in. At the top right, hover over Account and Lists, then click Account. This opens your main account dashboard. Now click on Login and Security. You may be asked to verify your password before continuing. In the Login and Security section, scroll down until you see two-step verification settings. Click Edit to begin setting up two-step verification. Amazon lets you choose between text messages, an authentication app, or both. For most people, the Authenticator app option is the most secure. Select your preferred method, phone number, enter your number, and Amazon will text you a one-time code. Authenticator app. Scan the QR code using Google Authenticator, Authy, or another app. Then enter the 6-digit code. Amazon requires at least one backup option in case you lose access to your phone. You can add a second phone number, a backup authenticator app, a backup code. Make sure you save your backup codes somewhere safe. Once you've verified your codes, click Turn On. From now on, Amazon will ask for a verification code every time you sign in. And that's it. Your Amazon account is now protected with two-step verification.